The Data Exchange Operator Data Interface, ODI, is an easy-to-use yet powerful application that serves as a communication hub for operators on the manufacturing shop floor. Data such as downtimes, work order-related data, and operator-related data are a few of the types of data that can all be entered. In addition, ODI can display data from the equipment in real time, trigger email, text, and dashboard notifications, as well as prompt the operator with information to ensure data is entered promptly and accurately. Basic usage of the ODI quickly communicates the answer to the question, "Why is my machine not running?" The operator can select a downtime status to immediately update dashboards and trigger a variety of notifications. If the downtime reason cannot be entered right away, the data can automatically backfill the previous idle time, ensuring accurate data when it comes to the OEE calculation. More advanced usage allows operators to interact with work orders, part numbers, and submit good and scrap part counts with scrap reasons. ODI can integrate with ERP, helping to answer the questions about what should be happening versus what is actually happening. One ODI screen can be used for multiple machines, allowing ODI to be placed by each machine and/or in a cell. For those large machines, multiple ODI screens can be used for one machine, ensuring there is always quick, easy access and visibility to important data. ODI can be used on PCs, tablets, and phones, serving not only as an operator interface, but also as an app that supervisors can utilize on their tablet or phones. ODI screens can be used as a dashboard to easily see the status and key information at a glance. As you can see, the Scytec DataXchange Operator Data Interface is much more than a simple data entry screen. The ODI is a key component in today's connected factory, enabling real-time communication, bringing all of the information together to make the data useful and provide value. To get additional information, please visit Scytec.com.